Hi, myself architect Jitendra Pandari, founder and principal architect of Paksha Architects, founded in the year 2001. As a team, since our inception, we have worked hard on creating meaningful spaces and structures. As we feel, design interventions create a lot of impact on the clients and the surroundings we work for. Here, the project was to design an architectural studio for our own firm. So this was the most interesting aspect. So here the opportunity was to create a spiritual environment, indirectly enhancing the creative minds in architecture.
The site was located in a very silent residential colony with an approach road having a dead end, thus reducing the dust and the chaos of vehicular traffic. This north-facing plot, measuring 3,220 square feet, had a big Siberian tree at the entrance, which was kept in the mind while designing. There were two existing houses on the east and west side with a tight margin of 10 to 12 feet in the two buildings. On the south side, there was an open non-constructible plot with a variety of existing big trees. The entire planning of a 1265 square feet studio is based on four basic principles, which were creativity, simplicity, ventilation and proportions. The parking gate is designed with an architectural sketch printed on cement sheet. The entrance gate is defined with a vibrant yellow color. Anyone entering into the studio is welcomed by overhanging termolia creepers and a water body which stretches into the studio space. The porch of the entrance lobby is embossed with 5 elements of nature and architectural words during casting of the slab itself. These words make our mannerism in daily practice as architects. The entrance partition in the waiting area is engraved with a sketch of golden proportions derived by master architect Le Corbusier. The studio is kept completely open and the north and west side using wooden sliding panels which allows daylight to enter the whole space. These openings connect to the serene landscape outside and keep the studio naturally cool throughout the day. The work desk of the studio is designed in a unique manner to get a 360-degree interaction space all around. As in our office, we believe creativity comes out from discussion across the table. A mesmerizing landscape court is added into the water body stretching into the studio. A sliding folding wooden jali separates work desk and architect's cabin by giving required privacy yet connecting the spaces. An indoor landscape court is designed just beside the architect's work desk to get positive vibes. A square opening is carved out in this courtyard wall to get a dramatic view of the existing giant banana tree and the surrounding landscape in the open plot. The studio and the cabin opens out into the west side landscape. The west side compound wall is purposefully raised with a planter bed of termolia creepers, which drop down and form a vertical green wall. The famous sculpture of Vitruvian Man by great artist Da Vinci is placed centrally towards the west side of the studio, which can be seen from every corner of the studio. The material palette is kept very subtle by using exposed concrete, wood and glass. Interiors were designed with minimalistic approach, keeping the openness and simplicity in mind. The essence of this project is its openness, the connections of spaces inside and outside, gradually blurring and creating a dynamic dialogue with the nature. Our sustainable approach to this project led us to make the studio air condition free, and there is no need to put any artificial light throughout the day. At the end, we were successful in creating such spaces which not only acted as a metaphor to boost our creative minds, but also everyone enjoys the work they do. Thank you.